You are about to find out the key levels for PENN Entertainment, ticker PENN. So to get straight into it, first we had a massive move after hours yesterday. Now this wasn't off the earnings, this was off the ESPN $2 billion sports betting deal with PENN Entertainment. So that's what led to this massive catalyst after hours. And then you can see coming into earnings, it was actually pretty lackluster from a move. We didn't really see too much. Moved to the downside, pushed to the upside on the open, basically faded that move. So basically flat from the earnings number, but obviously still up over 12% just off the ESPN deal. So wanted to note that. Now, what are the key levels? So want to note quickly the support side, because if we go to the downside, I'm not really looking to trade this stock. So we have a support at 27.25, which we can see has definitely been holding up quite nice. Again, this is our first deviation from the 6 month, but has been working really well on the past 3 attempts of support. So we'll see if we can hold it. It looks like we're coming back to test it again. If we can hold it, potentially could look to play this long bias. But again, if we keep coming down to a support, to me, that doesn't show strength. That shows a lot of weakness, because the sellers keep coming into control and taking us down there, and eventually we're gonna break that support. So a bit of cautious if we're looking at taking it long bias, maybe quite a tight stop below probably 26.70, so we can see how that plays out. That could be a potential thing, but if we break that, then our next target is 23.75, and this is fair value on the stock. So again, me as a reversal trader, that's why I don't really like this stock too much long bias, because we are in the overbought territory, but I prefer to trade it when we go a bit higher and become extremely overbought. So as of right now, a bit overvalued, but again, nothing too crazy. Fair value is down at 23.75, so for short bias could potentially trade down to there. But considering this deal, there is definitely strength, so we could be looking to play that 27, that's 25 long. Now, the main way I'm looking to trade this stock is if we continue up. So we do have a resistance at $29. I'm not really paying attention to that, just because, again, we've hit this kind of so much after hours and pre-market of all this news. So instead, I'd be a bit more patient, wait for these second deviations at $30.80 at $32.50, and this is where I look a lot more long bias and look to start playing that reversal on the stock. Again, if we do go higher, we have another level at 34.35 as well that I'll be paying attention to. So they're basically the 3 key resistances I'm paying attention to: $30.80, $32.50, and $34.35. Again, as we come into this range, I'm quite happy to start looking at the stock short bias. I'll probably be shorting the shares, buying calls to define that risk, and then we can give a bit of time. We don't have to get stopped out if we, temporarily pushed out of these levels and then hit back to the downside. So again, that's how I'm looking at trading it. If we kind of trade within this range, probably to me, no trading opportunities. I do want to see that move to at least $30.80 in market hours to be able to take some trading opportunities. Again, this doesn't have to happen today. Could happen Friday, could happen Monday next week. Even if it takes a bit of time, I'm happy to take the trade from there and above. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, why don't you check out this video, because you'll probably enjoy that one too.